I think it's extremely important that children understand the gravity of the situation, that these things are not isolated only to Haiti, but it could possibly happen in California as well.
When I first found out about the situation in Haiti, I was kind of shocked. I mean, I wanted to help.
I feel really sad because they really don't have anything that we do.
The earthquake just hit them and everything just went crazy, so I feel really bad for them. I wish I could just go out and just help them.
I sing for the children. I sing for the world. I sing for the future.
Healing of the nation. You must realize the shadows creep everywhere in this world. The rain don't fall on one man's house, but all. You see? Knowledge is key. I want you to earn that knowledge, you will finally survive. It's true. One testimony.
Every now and then I see how this world could really be. Then something, really nothing, snaps me back to reality. If we don't learn from lessons, then we're doomed to repeat the past. Cause the rain falls over everyone, but good and evil praise will be done.
A steady rain, it's falling down. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Say
A steady rain,
steady rain, steady rain.
it's falling down.
The steady rain, steady rain.
Oh
The steady rain, steady rain. Steady rain. There's too many of us crying. The pain is closer than you think. Don't have to walk too far for dying. Just take a walk on any street, and what you see on TV, it moves a righteous man to tears. There's a storm on the horizon, must take shelter, humanity. Are we not the branches from the tree? Amen, baby, say.
And are we not the children made from clay and wind?
Oh, now, if someone is hurting, you should feel their pain. Say now, cause trouble comes to everyone. You're gonna get some rain.
A steady rain.
So that's why we're trying to say the same thing. If people are in pain and hurting like they are in Haiti right now, you should also feel their pain too, right? So that's what it is. Steady rain. The rain is going to fall on everybody.
So our children need to understand that when other people are going through diversity, dealing with, adversity, they should be able to assist those people and not look at it from far away and say, wow, that happened to them, it's not my problem. There's got to be some loving kindness that they can show, and that they should be a part of these people, assisting them, helping them, praying for them, because we are no one without each other.
I think that Haiti's in a bad mood right now, and everybody prays for her.
Well, if I were in Haiti right now and the earthquake happened to me, I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably be sitting down somewhere with my family, and we'd be probably homeless.
And understand that what you're doing, what we're contributing to this project is extremely important to the people of Haiti. And the money that will be raised with this project will go towards really helping the little girls and the little boys who don't have a home. Some don't even have parents. And we could look right now around this room and see our parents and be able to say thank you for being here. Thank you for my moms and my dads, my uncles and my cousins, because some of them are just wondering where their relatives are. So be grateful.